Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this soup today. Got a nice bowl there and a big pot of it there. Potato, I'm using sweet potato and regular potatoes and lentil soup, a little bit spicy, absolutely delicious. Vegetarian, healthy, easy, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, this is simple, this is delicious. So what I'm using today is about 3 cups of regular potatoes, kept the skin on them as well, and 3 cups of sweet potatoes. Again, I've kept the skin on. If you want, get some celery in here, get some carrots in here, something like that, but I'm just going with those. 2 cups of red dal. We're going to give that a wash before we stick it in. 2 cups of onions. My onions are cut really small. It doesn't matter how you cut them really, because we're going to blend the whole thing. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then 2 teaspoons cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. Let's get moving. So what's great about this soup is it's really simple, everything sort of goes in. Look, I've got some oil in there. I've got like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil, but you could change that if you want. Start off by dropping in those cumin seeds. And then here we go, look. The potatoes, the sweet potatoes, the onion, the dal that I've just washed, and then the spices, 2 teaspoons each of chili, cumin and turmeric. We're going to add some salt to this. Now if you wanted, you could put some ginger or garlic in here, or you know, some ginger garlic paste or something like that. I'm staying away from it today. Above medium heat, fairly lively. We're going to go just for about 4 or 5 minutes. Stir often. So everything's real hard still. Just brought it together a bit. Now we're simply going to add water. I've got 2 litres of water here. I'm going to drop that in. We're going to bring it to a boil. Once it gets to boiling point, very simply, we're going to then put it on a nice medium kind of rolling boil for about 10 minutes until everything's nice and soft. Okay, so look, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off. Get a lot of steam out there so it doesn't go onto the camera. So you just need to cook this until everything's really nice and soft. As you can see, what we have right there. So I've got one of these guys. This goes in, blend it up, you know, zoom, zoom, zoom. If you don't have one of these, you could maybe use one of those jug type things to whirl it up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, look, that is beautiful, nice and smooth. It's very thick. Now, I'm going to keep it thick. I kind of like it like that consistency, but if you want to thin it out, maybe a little bit more water or stock, or even maybe some coconut milk in there would be good. If you wanted to get some cilantro or coriander in there, give it a little mix. I'm probably going to serve it with some on the top. Check it for salt. Job done. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this soup today, vegetable soup. It's so easy, very few ingredients, delicious. Vegetarian and vegan, welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, so at the back here, 1, 2, 3, potatoes, carrots and celery, roughly about 3 cups each. It's not going to make much difference if they're slightly adjusted, but you can see in volume they're about the same. 2 cups of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and today I'm using thyme. This is unbelievably quick and easy. So you're going to need a large pot, of course. In there I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is up to you which you want to use. Let's get in the onion, let's get in the garlic, let's get in the potatoes, let's get in the celery, let's get in the carrots. You can see with the carrots, I've not peeled them, I'll just give them a little wash. Let's go salt, pepper, and the herb that you want. Like I say, I'm using thyme. Above medium heat, just fling that around in the pan for about 4 minutes. So that's just 4 minutes or so, just to kind of bring it together a little bit. We're then going to add liquid. I'm just using water. I've got 2 litres of water there. And I've got 1 litre here. So 3 litres in total. Now, like I said, I'm using water. If you wanted, maybe use some stock or something like that. High heat now. What we're going to do is bring that to a boil, get it boiling away until it's like kind of nice, soft baby food. Going to take 20 minutes maybe. Okay, off goes the heat there. All really nice and soft now. I just sort of checked it. What we're going to do is we're going to get this liquidized into a nice soup. I've got one of those things that go inside. If you don't have that, you can put it into a food blender or a processor. Let me do that. Okay, so that's a nice, beautiful consistency for me. You can thin that out if you wanted, but yeah, that's good. Check the salt level. And then what I'm going to do is I've got some parsley here, chopped flat leaf parsley. Little mix, job done. That is beautiful. Really, really simple. Not going to keep you long today. Today we're making this beautiful beetroot soup. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So at the back, the 2 big guys here, that's about 3 cups, beets and potatoes. I've kept the skin on my potatoes, take it off if you want, and you can cut it in anyhow you want because we're going to blend it all together. These guys here, 1, 2, 3, 4, are 2 cups each. So carrot, tomato, onion, celery, tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika and 2 of thyme. That's what I'm using. You can change the direction if you want with something else. And half a cup of chopped parsley, salt, pepper. I'm going to start this off with some oil. It's very, very simple. So we're going to need some large kind of pot. In there I've got some oil. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now you can change the oil, you know, use whatever you want. You can even use butter if you want to go that direction. So let's start off with 2 cups of onion, 2 cups celery, 2 cups carrot, and again with my carrots I just sort of give them a little wash. I didn't peel them. 3 cups beets, 3 cups potato, above medium heat. Let's just go for about 4 minutes, just getting this together. So we're just bringing that together a little bit. Now time to add our tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 cups fresh tomato, 2 teaspoons paprika and thyme. Like I say, if you want, you can change the direction. I'm going to go with some black pepper, maybe a teaspoon, but you know, just do it to taste. The same with salt. I'm going to go for another 4 minutes or so on this fairly lively heat. Again, we're just sort of bringing it together. We've nearly done it. It's very, very easy now. Great. Now, we're going to need to add some liquid to that. I'm just using water, but you could use a stock if you want. So we need enough water to cover it over there. And we can adjust this later on once we blend it together. I'm going to drop in that parsley now. Just half a cup of chopped parsley. So we need to bring this to the boil. We need to let it go for maybe 8 or 9 minutes, depending on how big you've cut your vegetables. But you know, we're looking for sort of baby food, you know what I mean? We want really soft vegetables. So yeah, bring that to the boil, let it go on a rolling boil, get it all really nice and soft. We're then gonna blend it together and we can check the consistency then. So we might be adding some more liquid at that point. Okay, off goes the heat there. That's been going about 8-9 minutes. Look at your beets, that's the one that's gonna be the hardest. So that's nice and soft now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blend this up. Now I've got one of these kind of fellows that go in, and we whiz it up in there. Or if you don't have one of these, in fact, get one, because you can get them. They're really cheap, and we use it all the time. They're fantastic things. This is going to go in. I'm going to blend it up. If you don't have one of these, you can put it into like a food processor type thing, or a kind of juicer jug type stuff. But yeah, I'm going to go in and do that. I'll spare you the noise. We're going to go for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll check out its consistency. At the moment, it's looking like it's going to be a bit too thick for me. Okay, that's not bad. And what you could do is add a bit of water. I'm going to add just a touch more water in there, just to thin it out. But you can get it to the consistency that you like. Back in a moment. So that's it, job done. I've just served that and put a little bit more parsley on the top and a couple of slices of lemon. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Now what I like to do now is I like to give it a little squeeze of lemon juice on there as well. Try that out. I think that really works in there. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? Going to make this really incredibly easy but beautiful soup. Carrots, sweet potatoes, curried, coconut milk. It's delicious. Vegetarian, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is super, super easy. In there, I've got some oil. I'm using a coconut oil. You can change that if you want. 2 cups onion. 1 tablespoon garlic. Salt, pepper. 3 cups sweet potato. 3 cups carrots. 2 cups regular potatoes. Curry powder. 4 minutes above medium heat. Very simply, we're going to add some water. You can add stock if you want. I'm just going with water. You need enough water to just cover that up. We're going to bring that to a boil, set it on a rolling boil. You want them vegetables to be super soft. For me, I think that's going to take about 12 minutes. Beautiful, all really, really soft. Off goes the heat. Here comes 1 pint coconut milk, 1 cup cilantro or coriander. We're going to blend that up now. Beautiful, smooth but very thick. Check that for salt. That is delicious. I love that. Carrot, sweet potato, coconut, spicy soup, delicious.